The OpenBOM CAD File Agent for SolidWorks turns scattered files into organized workspace. It understands SolidWorks files, it helps you and your team manage designs, revisions, and data, and access without changing how you already work in SolidWorks. Since SolidWorks data is spread across local folders, shared drives, and desktops, it quickly becomes difficult to know where the complete design is, which files are current, and how the team can work together without confusion. Here, I've started with an existing project folder. There may be many internal and external references to this data, no problem. There's no need to change the way I work. I simply point the CAD File Agent to the existing design folder. In this step, the agent captures parts, assemblies, drawings, and their relationships. The agent has skills to understand how SolidWorks data works and references. It analyzes files and puts you in the loop when needed to answer questions, provide clarity, or offer direction. The agent has now organized and structured the data into an OpenBOM design workspace. Instead of searching across disconnected folders, we can see the complete project in one place and everyone can access without changing the way that you work. This gives immediate visibility into the design, helps the team understand what belongs to the project and how the files are connected. The next important step is coordination. When multiple people work on the same design, it's easy to overwrite someone else's work and lose changes. Here, each user can manage revisions in a controlled manner, manage single item revisions or the entire assembly baseline, as I've done here, to ensure the correct revision is available for downstream use. CAD File Agent also allows you to coordinate your work by allowing you to lock files to prevent conflicts. Editing the SolidWorks assembly with confidence now, making a change to a banjo connector 3 levels deep. The classic CAD struggle to incorporate low-level changes into product structure is made easier and more reliable with the CAD File Agent for SolidWorks. On completion of the CAD edits, a simple push my changes instruction to the agent, who already understands your design, to capture the changes and updates. Here we see the agent analyzing your design for changes across files, drawings, references, and more, updating the data set, and smart syncing the files and relationships to your team's OpenBOM design. This is a good time to recall that we already have a Rev A baseline, and we are now expecting changes to at least 3 files: the banjo bolt part in SolidWorks, its mid-level subassembly, and the top-level assembly design. On completion and returning to my design, I see my changes in the workspace and I'm ready to create a revision B of the banjo bolt. I ask OpenBOM to roll this revision through all levels of the product structure. Capturing important changes to assembly leaf items is critical to ensuring that lower-level subassembly design changes are reflected in the product. The value is straightforward but critical. CAD File Agent for SolidWorks enables teams to capture and share files, organize designs and references, manage complete revision history, coordinates collaboration among multiple contributors, controls access and versioning, including access to and downloading of all historical revisions, and maintains a fully connected, traceable project record in a single workspace.